You get a duck head before your long train journey. Welcome to Chengdu train station. In this video we're going to be going across the country to Xi'an on a train, maybe 3 or 4 hours. So we're at the main train station right now. And I gotta say it's a little different from what I'm used to. I've already had my scissors taken away by X-ray security here. So we'll see what happens. So we're about to get on our train. It's the 11:50, so we have an hour. Your passport is your ticket, even though you're not leaving the country. Without your passport, you are doomed. Okay, let's see if we can find the train. I was really surprised, but the ticketing system still uses Windows XP. Yeah, for real. Alright, so let's have a little look around. I saw some restaurants and things around the outside and shops and things. It's almost like a very big shopping mall, but it seems when you wait for your train, you wait in this big open area. Then right at the last second, a little gate opens and you can funnel down onto your train. So it's a bit different where you're not waiting on the actual platform and you're sort of just waiting in this communal area right here. Alright, well I don't think anything's in English. So I guess we'll figure that out in a second. Yes, it's quite busy, right? This is a random Wednesday, so I guess you get the idea. Or is it Friday? It's not the weekend anyway. Yeah, something crazy about visiting China is the toilets, right? If you look around the train station, let's have a look. You notice how everything's clean? That's because people are cleaning all the time. Every 10 minutes someone is cleaning. The toilets are a huge exception. The toilets here are like something out of World War II, mid-war. And all the cubicles are always engaged because people are smoking in there. They don't want to leave the building. Maybe it's cold. They go through the X-ray again. People are smoking like chimneys in all the cubicles. So always engaged. You're waiting ages. You see the ash go under the little hole in the door. Absolutely terrible. The toilets here, 1 out of 10. No soap, no toilet paper, hole in the floor. It's terrible. Mostly everything else is amazing, but the toilets is the number one in China, unfortunately. So there's some cafes here. You can get coffee, tea. I even saw one where you can meet friends. I don't know how that works, but there it is. So the prices are a little more than you're probably used to. It's like duty free, right, at the airport, something like that. So the prices are going to be almost double. There's clothing. There's a little restaurant up here, so we're going to head up there and have a look. I think I just saw something in here. Let me show you. Yeah, check it out. Look. I don't know what they are. Maybe they're feet. But I just see duck heads. You can get a duck head before your long train journey. It doesn't really matter where you go, does it? Oh, hello. McDonald's is always here. Okay, so we found a little restaurant here. The prices are very good. 7 Chinese yuan is $1. So for that soup is $3. Very good. So we're gonna have some soup today. Last time we were here, we were in McDonald's and I had 2 little sausages for $2. So that was a bit of a scam. That's not bad, is it? Look at that. It's hard to see the size, but it is huge. All right. Someone didn't finish. Oh, I think this is us. Okay, here we go. We're descending down. So your passport's your ticket. I don't even have a train ticket. It's just my passport. I just need to remember where I am. Okay, here we go. You gotta fight for the luggage rack room, so if you have luggage, it's probably good to get on there near the front. Okay, we're coach 1, so I guess we're at the front. Check it out. Okay, here we are. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I guess there's our luggage space too. Ta-da. Okay, a bit hectic. 13B and C. Oh, I think we're here. Pretty good leg room. The dog. And yeah, we're about to go. Well, the toilet's no surprise. I don't know why. Yeah, no toilet paper, but there is soap. It's quite surprising. Oh my god. 在车厢内奔跑、吵闹、攀爬，请勿随意触碰车内红色安全按钮等安全设施。请注意放置在小桌摆设信用信息记录管理。了解更多铁路出行资讯。But these now. Well, everyone's coming down. Alright, so they have a little snack cart here. Let's have a little look at the menu. I think someone's smoking in the toilet. Dear passengers, here it is. I'm not sure what it says. They look like drinks, half a litre, just over $1. Alright, well, you know what that means? There it is. Headphones. Oh, we had some snackers. Alright. Keep them from running or shouting on the train climbing over the seat. For your safety, please do not touch the red emergency buttons. Okay, we're just getting ready to leave. It's a bit manic. If you want to charge your phone on these trains, then the only thing I found was here, so you have to kind of stand up with it. So kind of UK voltage too. Alright, yeah, no one wants to wait, they're all just jumping in. It seems to be the culture here. The waiting is not a strong suit. I think we're arriving. As soon as we got off, the cigarettes going strong. But we made a cross-country train, and here we are in Xi'an. Wow. Yeah, so it's almost like arriving in an airport. It's a completely separate sort of security area where you need to show your passport to leave. Yes, it's really weird. It's like the crowds come in chunks and then it's empty and then it's busy, then it's empty. I've never really seen anything quite like it. Okay, we just showed the passports. Now we have one more security. Then I think we're finally leaving. Yeah. It's massive. My bowl makes your bowl. I mean, look at that.
I don't even know what
I can't even get it on the camera, but it is absolutely huge.
I don't know what I ordered.
Oh, enjoy whatever it is.
Nice.
I got a delicacy of Xi'an, I think. These big flat noodles looks pretty good. Oh, we were sitting down. There's a guy here and a guy. Yeah, like that. But I think it's super normal here, and I had to put my headphones in. I was struggling. I was in the hurt locker. Looks nice, isn't it? Wow.
But the portion's big.
Yeah, mannerisms 1 out of 10. Portion size 10 out of 10. Yes.
That's really nice.
Very good.